Welcome to another episode of Gill Construction Solutions Ask Annie. It's hard to believe it's already November, isn't it? Well, we hope you've enjoyed a great fall so far. And remind you to don't hesitate to reach out to us if you need some help with your remodeling projects or have some questions you need answered. Today, we want to share some quick home safety tips for the holiday season. As you know, daylight savings time is this coming weekend, so make sure you remember to do your biannual safety check. It's a great time to replace the smoke detector batteries, check your fire extinguisher, make sure it's up to date, and change out those air filters. You may have heard the old saying that a watched pot never boils. Well, an unwatched pot can really be dangerous. As we approach the holidays, be careful. Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day account for more home fires than any other days of the year. 83% of the people who have experienced home fires have admitted that they were participating in activities like they had disabled the fire alarm, they left items cooking unattended so that they could watch TV, talk on the phone, text, check their email. So we're just reminding you to stay alert. Practice all those safety measures that are important to keep you and your loved ones safe. If you liked today's episode, please click the like button, share our episode, and please comment below. We look forward to talking to you about questions you might have. I'm Annie Good, and it's my pleasure to provide value and insight into your projects. Have a great week.